Guys, we are here inside of Quivira in my favorite new community, Cielo Marbella, in this beautiful 4-bed, 4 full baths, 1 level, 2-car garage, private pool, private jacuzzi, fireplace, 13-foot ceilings, indirect lighting throughout. Let's check it out. Check out this super open floor plan. As you guys know, sometimes we like to do a little street fighting action. As you've seen in our last video, right there where I happen to put Saul out to sleep. You could put a cage here. It's definitely big enough for a cage. Like I said, 13-foot ceilings. Now, if you look behind me, we have a beautiful, beautiful infinity pool, jacuzzi, the children's area of 100% full pocket doors. Of course, we've got the barbecue grill. This place is really quite epic. We're gonna have a gorgeous city view. Now behind me here, you're gonna have a unblockable view of the Pacific. So as you can see, we have really a massive terrace, full-on pocket doors, built-in fireplace with this beautiful onyx. We can go ahead and put our 85-inch, we'll go about perfect right there. Could we do 100? Maybe. But that's the cool thing about these houses, guys. These are 100% customizable. So if you wanted to widen that out for 100-inch, you could. If you wanted it perfect for 85, you could. We could do whatever you guys want. You want me to put a basement under this with a theater or a trap door? Boom, I hit a button, Caesar falls right through the ground. He's trapped, he's locked in. What you do with them, that's up to you. I know you guys are worried. A lot of custom homes, a lot of developers, they're slow in Cabo San Lucas. But this guy only works with top developers. I have at least 1 to 2 developers message me every week, and I turn down 95% of them. That's because I'm not gonna ever put my name on some. This developer can build these houses in 9 months, or it's $1,000 a day afterwards. That's right, 9 months from start to finish. You gotta put your 35% down, and then the rest of the balance, your boy here, we can work some deals. Possibly even some financing for a few years. Your boy knows how to make those deals happen. Single level, 4-bedroom. Go ahead and just Google that in MLS and see how many you find, and see how many you find under $3 million. And I bet it's gonna be about this many. Come on this way, guys. This is the bonus room. This is your office. This could be turned into the number 4 bedroom if you wanted a number 4, or this could be turned into a walk-in closet. The workout room could be whatever you like. Oops, I'm gonna open this here. Look at that magnet. Perfect, love it. Beautiful indirect lighting on the roof, on the ceiling here. Right from your primary, you can literally jump into the pool, climb right into the bar, the walk-in here, which is quite nice. Bathtub here. When you're laying in this thing, you have a beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean. Really gorgeous. Again, with the accent lighting everywhere throughout. His and her sinks. Adorable. Now, if you come over here, you're gonna see probably my favorite spot. Obviously, we could put up a big TV over there, or you just push a button that has the TV come up. Ching. And this is a deep pool too. This is like a 5 foot, maybe 5.5, right about. Very nice. We've got ocean view, we've got golf view, and we were gonna have city view as well. Oh, there's my boy. There's Jim. He's flying across for me. Hey, slow down a little bit. We're filming it right now. Slow down, just a little bit. I got my people, you know. Let's get done. I have 2 of these for sale currently, and I also have some of the big dogs down below. If you guys would like to view any of these, give me a call. You can call anyone on the team, Cabo1, cabo1.com, BKCabo, YouTube, BKCabo, Instagram, or call me on WhatsApp, and I would love to help you guys out. I'll see you on the next one.